Permutations with repetition is a method used when we are asked to make different choices each time and with different objects. The number of permutations of n things where A, things are alike, B, things are alike, and C, things are alike, and so forth is P is equal to n factorial over A factorial times B factorial times C factorial, and so forth. We have here some examples. Number 1. Find the number of distinguishable permutations of the letters in the word series. There is a total of 6 permutations in the word series, but there are 2 S and 2 E's and can be permuted 2 factorial ways respectively, in each permutation without altering the result. Hence, the number of distinguishable permutation is given by P is equal to 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 2 factorial. We are going to get the numbers lower than 6. So we have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by the 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1, another 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1. We can cancel the 2 times 1 in the numerator and the 2 times 1 in the denominator, only 1. Then, we're going to multiply 6 times 5 times 4 times 3. It is equal to 360 divided by the 2 times 1 in the denominator, which is 2. Then, 360 divided by 2 is equal to 180. Therefore, there are 180 ways that the number of distinguishable permutations of the letters in the word series. We have here another example. I have 6 face masks and 4 face shields to give to 10 frontliners. In how many ways can I distribute the 10 gifts to the 10 frontliners? So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 face masks. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 face shields. We're going to use the formula for solving permutation with repetition. So we have P is equal to n factorial over A factorial times B factorial times C factorial. So we have here n, which is the 10 frontliners. So we have 10 factorial divided by the 6 face masks. So we have 6 factorial and the 4 face shields. Then we're going to get the number lower than 10. So we have 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1 divided by the 6 factorial, which is 6 times 2 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and the 4 factorial, which is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. We can cancel the 6 factorial from the denominator and from the denominator, so that the 4 factorial will remain in the denominator. Then, we're going to multiply 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. So it is equal to 5,040. divided by 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 24. So 5,040 divided by 24 is equal to 210. So we have 210 ways that we can distribute the 10 gifts to the 10 frontliners. That's all for today. I hope you have learned something about how to solve permutations with repetition. Hope to see all of you again on my next video.